Business and production company Compel presents Compel-Vac 250 MD. This technology, using vacuum for sucking various materials, has a wide range utilization and multi-purpose application. It combines effectivity, efficiency, and ecology. The vacuum loader handles work with all kinds of different materials, such as water, mud, sludge, cement, gravel, stones, rocks, soil, waste, ore, plastics, and others. The material is transported by a hose and pipeline system, which allows the vacuum loader to work in inaccessible places or where the use of manpower is ineffective, dangerous, and time-consuming. The machine operates on the base of a vacuum system that is able to suck material from the distance of approximately 150 meters horizontally and more than 20 meters vertically. One of the great advantages is uncovering cables without any damage while excavating. The mobile vacuum loader has various industrial uses, especially in cement and foundry factories, sewage and water management, and raw mills. A stationary pipeline system with the possibility to connect mobile vacuum units at several places is used in large industrial factories. This is a substitution for putting many stationary units to work. The suction of the material directly into the mobile vacuum unit eliminates the need of a buffer store and an extra transport unit. This machine is also commonly used for emergency situations and natural disasters, such as floods, earthquakes, fire, oil spillage, and others. A vacuum is, by definition, a space completely empty of substance and gas. Under normal circumstances on Earth, it is possible to create a vacuum only in a hermetically sealed area. We create a vacuum by sucking out the air from this area. A vacuum is measured by value bar. A vacuum creates the flow of air, which is used for transport of the material. The bigger the vacuum, the higher the quality of the transport. The material will not settle onto the walls of the hose. The power created is able to dislocate even compact particles. The source of a vacuum is the vacuum pump, which has its own power unit. The pump sucks the air out of the container and creates a vacuum with a pressure of approximately 200 millibar and is spread further in the hose and pipeline system. Because the outside pressure is several times higher, there is a fast movement of air molecules to the place where the pressure is low, the container, and the airflow therefore takes the material along. A sudden enlargement of the airflow section in the container results in the slowdown in the airflow, followed by the separation of the material. This separated material settles down in the container, and the air is further sucked into the main filter together with ultrafine particles of the material. The particles are captured in the filter unit, then collected inside the filter chamber, and later discharged together with the material from the container. The air goes through the secondary filter, also known as the safety filter, which provides absolute air purity. Now, the air is pumped through the vacuum pump and the silencers out of the whole system. The material and the content of the filter chamber are released by lifting up the container. Machines with static suction systems are able to suck material from the depth of 8 meters maximum, according to the atmospheric pressure. Using the vacuum loader with special air vent, a so-called dynamic suction, Compel-Vac is able to suck from the depth of more than 20 meters. The quantity of the air sucked in is controlled via a remote-operated valve. Using a vacuum loader for sewage system cleaning increases the cleaning efficiency for several reasons. A vacuum loader, unlike a combined machine, doesn't need an extra source of jet water to dislocate the material to be sucked in. It is directly able to suck compact materials. Daily work of a combined machine compares to 3/4 of an hour done by a vacuum loader.